you how to make a boat with a sailor. First things first, the things that you're gonna need are paper, a scissors, tape, double-sided tape is preferred, markers optional, ruler optional. Step 1, after folding it, it's already folded, it's a piece of square paper, it's already folded diagonally. Now what you want to do is to fold these two corners to touch the middle. Okay, I'm going to do that now. Okay, so now you have this. So now you unfold it, and then now the two corners will touch the new line that you've created, like this. Okay? Okay, very good. And now next step is simply fold it in to the second crease that you made, like that. Okay, and then now you flip it over, turn it this way, and now we're gonna bend it back like that. We're gonna bend it back, okay? Okay, so now you have this. So now do the same thing as what we did just now, where you open it and then the two tips point to the new crease. So you're gonna have this, and now you fold it down like that. So you're gonna have a paper that looks like this. Okay? Alright, so now what you're gonna do next, with these two parts, you're gonna fold it in like that. Alright? Now, seeing the four corners like this, fold in like this for all four corners. Now, taking the two outer corners, you're going to fold them to point to the center, like this. Okay? The boat's gonna get really thin now. Ta-da! So you have something like this. And now, taking the two edges that meet at the center line, we're gonna do the most fun and most important part. We're going to flip it inside out. So watch carefully. We're going to flip it inside out. Pushing out all the inside parts, and there you have it. We have our boat. We're gonna start making our little sailor. What you're gonna need is something like the end of the toilet roll or the kitchen roll, which is what I'm using in this case. So this will be the body of the person, and using other colored paper that will make their hair. So basically this piece is gonna go around the top, and you're just gonna cut and make the hair, and you can decorate it with the face afterwards. So let me just show you. Right. So now to the fun part, we can just start to cut so that it looks like hair. So just cut. And there we have it. So you can even tie it into a ribbon if you want, or you can tie a ribbon around the head. Anything you want. Next part, fun part, is to decorate using markers. So everything that is a person needs a face. So let's go with the eyes. That. And we can give some rosy cheeks. Some blush. Ta-da! So now let's test if our new boat can float. The previous one has already sunken. As long as it's dry, the new one can float unless you put some form of plastic underneath. It will get wet and eventually sink. So put our little sailor in the boat and voila! You can even blow it so that it can move